y'all, T4L here. In this video, I want to put out an update of the OTC market company VNUE, VNUE. They just released a new PR statement that I thought was pretty important to shareholders and wanted to make sure that everyone was aware about it. But before we get to that, let's take a look at our day forecast. So as we can see, they were up 35.93%. They were a dip of green and a sea of red. So that should tell you something about the PR release that came out. And if we see here, they open at 0.028 with a high of 0.045, which also happens to be the 52-week high is 0.045. So they hit their 52-week high today, likely based off the recent PR news report. So let's head over to the OTC market page and see what that news report is about. And here we are at the OTC marketplace, looking at the new news release, which is titled VNUE announces application to uplist to the OTCQB market. Uplisting to the OTCQB is expected to improve the company's position in the public markets and increase visibility in the investment community. A leading music technology company today announced that it has initiated a strategy to upgrade its position in the public markets and increase its visibility to a wider range of investors through the process of uplisting to the OTC Pink Open Market to the OTCQB Venture Market. The company has submitted OTCQB application materials to the OCT Market Group, operator of OTCmarkets.com. With significant advances in the company's Soundstr music recognition technology, the anticipated bounce back of the concert industry later in 2021 for the company's live recording business, and market valuation growth of over 1,000% since last year, management believes that VNUE is in the ideal position to uplist to the OTCQB venture market and gain the increased visibility that the OTCQB provides. So already in this paragraph, we've learned a lot here that they're reporting significant advances in their Soundstr recognition technology. If you're not familiar with Soundstr, you can certainly look it up. They have the website down here, www.soundstr.com. You can also check out the most recent video I put on them in terms of my due diligence and what I think about VNUE. But the fact that they're uploading to the OTCQB venture market to me means that they're ready to be serious about this and that they are trying to attract higher level investors. Next paragraph, Zach Baer, CEO of VNUE, said, uplisting to the OTCQB is a very important milestone in our plan to grow the company and upgrade its position in the public markets. We believe that trading on the OTCQB will increase visibility in the investment community, particularly to institutional investors. We're talking institutional investors here, as we continue to solidify our position as a cutting-edge music technology company. The company already meets OTCQB venture market compliance requirements by filing audited annual financials prepared in accordance with the U.S. GAAP by the PCAOB auditor and maintains a verified company profile at OTCmarkets.com. And that is true. Of course, they have been pink, they have been current, verified profile, they've been keeping up on their financials, and so they believe it is the right move to the OTCQB. And here we are on the company's Twitter page, and as we can see that they are also announcing this on Twitter, which is great. I love when a company has full transparency and that they're not afraid to let it show on social media networks. Now the question is, since we do know that they're uploading to the OTCQB, is what time period do we think it's actually going to happen? From that article, I really didn't gather that there was a time period that they said they were going to update to the OTCQB, but the fact that they're announcing it lets me know that this is a plan that they're going forward with and that they're going to continue doing everything they can with their company to include Soundstr, Disc Live, recording, everything they can to get to the OTCQB, because once they get into the venture market, they should hopefully be able to attract more investors, as they were seeing institutional investors, which would be pretty big for this stock. So again, just want to make a quick video for y'all to kind of see what's going on with VNUE. Let me know how you feel in the comments. Is it time to be a bear? Is it time to be a bull? Let's talk about it. Until then, I'll see you next time.